If you are looking for new construction, Ryan and I are standing here in a very lightly used house in Chase Oaks, and this house is ready to be sold today for you to settle very quickly on. Adam and I spoke earlier about an easy 20 to 30 day close. You could be in this house early in the 2026, but I love this loft, Ryan.
Yeah, this loft is fantastic. Gives you an extra living area up here. They have a nice pool table. I believe it flips also over into an air hockey table. You have some unfinished storage behind me, which goes pretty much the length of the house. And then you have a full bathroom right there and a bedroom over there. Very spacious bedroom, has a king size bed in it. Lots of room up here for your guests, or if you have an older kid that wants to have their own space, that would work here as well. Very versatile floor plan. Again, we're in Chase Oaks, a new community, but this one's ready today. Great amenities in here as well, which we'll get to a little bit later. You don't want to miss your chance to see this house.